Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another video. In today's tutorial, I'll be guiding you through the process of creating a split text animation using CapCut PC. This effect is sleek and can really elevate your video projects, so let's dive straight in without further ado. Start by launching CapCut and opening a new project. Click on the text tool and create a text layer. You can rename this text to anything you like. I recommend choosing a bold font to make the effect stand out more on screen. Adjust the position of the text as needed to fit your layout. Next, we need to duplicate the text layer. Click on the text layer to select it. Press Ctrl+C to copy the text layer, and then Ctrl+V to paste the duplicate layer. Now, let's convert both layers into compound clips to make them easier to work with. Right-click on one text layer and choose Convert to Compound Clip. Do the same for the duplicate text layer. Now that the text layers are ready, it's time to split them visually. Select the first layer, go to the Video tab, then head over to the Mask section. Apply a horizontal mask to this layer and adjust its position. Select the second text layer, apply another horizontal mask, but this time rotate it in the opposite direction so that the two halves complement each other. If you hide one of the layers, you'll see that the text appears split into two halves. Now, let's bring the split effect to life by animating the text movement. Go to the Basic tab and scroll to the Transform properties. At the beginning of the clip, set a transform keyframe for the top layer. Move the playhead forward a few frames and set another keyframe. At this new keyframe, drag the text downward off screen. This will create the split animation for the top half. Repeat the same process for the second layer, but instead of dragging the text down, move it upward. Make sure the Y value for the second layer is set to a positive number, while the top layer uses a negative Y value. This creates a smooth, opposite motion for both halves. To add a finishing touch, we'll animate the text coming back together, move the playhead a few frames from icon keyframe, and set a new keyframe for both layers. This will keep the text split for a few moments. Move a few more frames ahead, and set a final keyframe where both text layers return to their original positions, Y value set to 0. This will give the animation a smooth closing effect as the text comes back together. Feel free to experiment with the duration between keyframes or add additional effects like motion, blur to give your animation more character. And just like that, you've successfully created a split text animation. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Feel free to connect with me on my socials, all the links are in the description. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.